Let's say we have a limit x approaches 3. What's the evaluate this function? 8 over x minus 3 square. And what is this one? Now here we have this one, like limit x approaches 3 from both sides, like left and right. You can always, do the direct substitution. You're gonna see like 3 minus 0, the 3 minus 3, that's 0. 0 square is 0, so 8 over 0, that's undefined, so we cannot have that answer, so we have to do something else. So the next thing we can do is we can take a closer number, like we can also see limit x approaches 3 from left side and limit x approaches 3 from right side, and see whether both of them are equal. If both of them are equal, it means limit exists, and that's going to be the value for the limit answer. Now let's go ahead and see whether we are getting something equal both sides. So first I'm taking limit x approaches 3 from the right side. If I take right side from right side, I have to take a value that's greater than 3 and closer to 3. That one might be something like 3.1. So if I try 3.1 for that, let's try rewrite this again. 8 x minus 3 square. And if I take 3.1, this is going to be 8 over 3.1 minus 3 square. And that's going to give us 8 over 0.1 square. And that is 8 over 0.01. And that is equivalent to 800. Now you can see, like as you go closer and closer to 3 from the left side, like you can try 3.01. That's going to give you 0.1 square. That's going to be like 0.0001, and you will see the next number will be 80,000. So you can see, like as you get closer and closer to 3 from the right side, you are reaching positive infinity. So the answer for this one is like positive infinity when the limit x approaches 3 from the right side. Now let's go ahead and see when x approaches 3 from left side. So here we have to take a value that's less than 3 but closer to 3. We can take 2.9. So 8 over 2.9 minus 3 square. And if you do that, you're going to get 8 over negative 0.1 square. And if you square a negative value, that becomes positive. And again, you're going to get exact same as the one above, like 8 over 0.01. So that's going to give us 800. And as you get closer and closer, like if you take 2.99, you're going to get 80,000. So like that, when you get closer and closer, this y value reaches infinity. Therefore, the answer is infinity. Now you can see from the left side and from the right side, we have equal answer, like we have positive infinity. So we can say the limit when limit x approaches 3, 8 over x minus 3 square is equal to positive infinity. And that's our final answer. Now let's go and try another problem. I'm going to erase this one. Let's say we have a question like this. Limit x approaches 3. Let's say limit x approaches 3 from the left side. X plus 3 over x square plus x minus 6. Okay, so first you have to see if you substitute 3, will it give a value? Let's look at the denominator. If the denominator is 0, we don't have to look at anything else. So not minus 3 actually. 3 square, that is 9. 9 plus 6, 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 over 6. Yeah, actually we can, wait a minute. Three square, it's 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 over 6, 1. Okay, so if I take positive 3, you know, that's direct substitution. Let's take negative 3. Okay, we want to do something difficult. So negative 3 from the left side. So if I substitute that one in this, this is negative 3 square, that is positive 9. Positive 9 minus 3, that is 6. 6 minus 6, 0. So here we are getting 0 in the denominator, so we have to do something else. The first thing you can do is you can substitute, like you can actually try to factor, because I am seeing a difference of square pattern in the denominator. So actually a factorable function, not difference of square. Let's try to factor that one. Okay, limit x approaches negative 3 from left side, x plus 3, and here in the denominator we have to get a value that when we multiply, that should give us negative 6, and when we add, we have to get positive 1. So positive 3 and negative 2 will work, because when you add, you get positive 1, and when you multiply, you get negative 6. So this is going to be like x plus 3, x minus 2. So from this one, we can cancel x plus 3, x plus 3. Now we can go ahead and do the direct substitution. This is going to be limit x approaches negative 3 from the left side, 1 over x minus 2. And now I can plug the negative 3 for the x value. So this is going to be negative 3, negative 2. That's 1 over negative 5. And that's our final answer. Now let's look at another problem. Let's say we have a question given like this. Limit x approaches 5, x square over x square plus 25. This one, let's try the direct substitution. So this one is like 5 square divided by 5 square plus 25. That gives us 25 divided by 25 plus 25. That is basically 1 over, this is 50. I mean 25 over 50, and if I cancel this, 1 over 2. So that is direct substitution. That one is easy. Let's try another one. Let's say we have a, okay, you know what, I'm gonna end this one. I have